Hi everyone and welcome to BSP's Wellness Wednesday. I'm Karen and I'm the health educator and coordinator with BSP, and I'm here with Angel, our health educator. As mentioned, we are with Building Skills Partnership, BSP, a nonprofit collaboration with SEIU USWW. And first, we would like to acknowledge that the month of May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So that's going to be the topic for today's video, mental health. Now, these times that we're living in during this pandemic are unusual. Plans have been canceled, postponed, or redirected. We have had to make many adjustments. This pandemic has affected work, employment. It has affected kids' education, finances, the way that we socialize, and our mental health, and more. This is not easy, and we have had to adapt in little to no time. These are common feelings, though. Many people are experiencing the same thing, and because of that, we want to share a couple of resources and tips for you.
You're right, Karen. These uncertain times. However, I would like to remind our viewers that it is okay to have these feelings. Similarly, there are thousands of Americans who are also experiencing stress, anxiety, and uncertainty. I would like to remind our viewers that there is a plenty of low cost and even free resources available for you. And BSP is one of them. We are here for you.
There are many organizations that are available for you to reach out to for resources. So we've collected a couple of um, information for a couple of organizations. So we have this mental health resources for immigrant workers. These are organizations and resources that anybody can reach out to, but they specifically have information for for immigrants. And this is because we know that as an immigrant, there are layers of stress that can be added during this time. One of these is finding information in your language, also finding information and resources available to everyone, regardless of their immigration status. So let's dive into these organizations.
For the first organization, we have the National Alliance of Mental Illness. They have a helpline Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Their phone number is located on the slide as well as their online website. In their website, you will be able to find different resources. For example, they have online workshops where where you can learn about different mental health illnesses, as well as resources offered in your community. Additionally, they offer support groups, especially right now with the COVID-19 happening. They offer online support groups for those in need. And remember, the helpline is also offered both in Spanish and English. The website on the bottom of the slide, it's the website where you can access their COVID-19 guide. This website is really great because it offers a different variety of resources available in your community, as well as referral resources found. For our next organization, we have Unidos US. Unidos US they are an advocacy organization for Latinos, which help you find referrals groups. The resources they offer include mental health resources. They have also resources online that help parents about remaining patient with their kids. Additionally, they have own resources where you can find community resources close to your community. The phone number you can find, it's located on the slide as well as their online website.
So next we have immigrants and healthcare. So as an immigrant, we want you to know that community health centers are available for you. So regardless of immigration status, at a reduced cost or for free, depending on income. Keep in mind that as of April 2020, it is concerns about immigration status. So if applying for a green card, visa, or citizenship, usually when people are in the process of applying for a green card, a visa, or citizenship, using public benefits such as Medicaid can be used as a reason to deny their application. However, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services has recently clarified that testing, treatment, or preventive care, including vaccines, if a vaccine becomes available related to COVID-19, will not be used to deny a person. So please keep in mind and don't let immigration status stand in the way of visiting a community health center or speaking with your medical provider, as these will not be taken into consideration when you're applying, when you're, even though you're in the process of applying for a green card, a visa, or your citizenship. Again, this is as of April 2020 because of or related to COVID-19. So another resource that we have is Immigrants Rising. So this is a organization that specially focuses on young undocumented people. And so some of the services that they provide is a mental health connector, which is specifically geared for young undocumented people, and it connects them with experienced and culturally responsive mental health therapists. They also have a wellness gatherings. So these take place right now. They're taking place virtually. They're hosted on Wednesdays from 5 to 6 p.m. And it's an opportunity for young adults to get together and talk about their experiences. And these are gatherings facilitated by professional psychologists, coaches, and traditional healers. So Immigrants Rising really is a organization that's providing a space uh, for for young adults, for young undocumented adults to get together and share their experiences, share how they're each coping, again, with their different challenges. So you can go ahead and check them out. We have their website right there on the slide.
For our next resource, we have the mental health emergency numbers. The first one is the crisis text line. These resources offers you the possibility of chatting with a trained crisis counselor. The only thing you have to do is text NAMI to 7471741, and these resources only offer in English. The next one we have the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Service Administration, known as SAMHSA. SAMHSA is a counseling and support. They help you counseling and support people experiencing emotional distress related to a natural or human-caused disaster. You can call this number and press number 2 for Spanish. The third resource that we have for mental health emergencies is the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline. If you know somebody who is in crisis, whether they are considering on hurting themselves or not, you can call it the number that it's provided on the slide. If you want somebody who speaks Spanish, you can call the number that it's also provided here on the slide. The Trevor Project is also another American nonprofit organization that focuses on suicide prevention efforts among LGBT community youth. They had both the ability to you can contact them through call and text, and the number is also provided here on the slide. Once again, you can instantly message a counselor on their website or text them using the word start to the number provided here on the slide. And the cool thing about this website is that they are available 24/7. For the following resources, we have a few phone applications that you can download on your phone. The first one is Headspace. Headspace, it's a great application, phone app, where they teach you how to meditate. It is currently free available for the people who are in the LA County. It's a really great application where Once again, it teaches you how to step by step take how to like take deep breath, how to meditate, and it's a really great and fun resource that can be either shared by an adult and kids as well. And the next one, we have Kaiser Permanente, which Karen is gonna talk us a little bit about it.
So, for those of you who do have Kaiser Permanente, I do want to remind you that Kaiser does offer 24/7. Their one phone number that connects you to any medical provider, any of the Kaiser locations or departments, which is the KP4 care number. They also have a specific number for mental health, and that's also available 24/7. And you can always use your kp.org profile, which we do have a video on that, on how to get in contact with your medical provider, where we go over how to create a Kaiser profile. And through the Kaiser profile, you can always um, find the number to call, you can email, or you can schedule a video appointment through kp.org, or if you download the app, the Kaiser Permanente app. So that is also available to those of you who are Kaiser Permanente members.
Next one, we have online resources. These online resources are really great because they offer online chat for emotional support as well as counseling. The first one, we have 7cups.com. The second one is supportgroupscentral.com. And the third one is 4likeminds.com. And these websites are recommended by the National Alliance of Mental Health. The cool thing about this website is that they are both offering in Spanish as well as in English. And either website you can get help with licensed therapists. So if you ever have the need to like talk to a therapist directly, these are the websites that you can have access to in order to get help.
So next, we did want to share some domestic violence resources. So the first one is the National Domestic Violence Hotline, and this information is available 24/7. They provide confidential support, and this is for people experiencing domestic violence, just seeking resources or information or questioning unhealthy aspects of their relationship. The cool thing is that they do have a phone number, but they also have an online chat um, and a text option. So you can go ahead and chat them or send them a text. You can also send it in Spanish if you are unable to speak aloud. The next one that we have is RAIN, which is also available 24/7, and it's a safe and confidential sexual assault hotline that connects individuals to a local service provider that can provide a variety of free resources. They also have a hotline number and a chat option too, if you feel that that's safer, and it's also available in Spanish.
We know that paying bills and even paying your rent might cause a little bit of stress. So here are a few of the resources that you can take advantage of because they offer financial assistance. If you need help paying bills, these are the two websites that you can visit in order to get more information on assistance programs. The first one is needhelppayingbills.org, and the second one is us.gov/helpwithbills. Like I said before, these websites help you getting informed about how to pay either your mortgage, if you need help paying your water bills, your electricity bills, and once again, both of these websites are offered in Spanish and English. And the other number that you can call is the 211. 211 is a referral group that pretty much helps you find community resources, information that it's available in your community. They offer you financial assistance, but as they also offer you different resources such as how to apply to medical insurance in case you don't have one. They help you with housing. They help you finding mental health resources, and many more. You can contact them by visiting their website, which is 211.org, or dialing 211. Once again, we would like to thank everyone who stayed tuned. Thank you for watching, and we'll continue giving you more mental health resources in the following weeks.